What's up YouTube? Small Town Sammy here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Palmetto State Armory AR15. Let's get to it. So just to let you guys know, this is a super cheap AR15. It was like 650 bucks, and made in America, made in Columbia, South Carolina. So the Palmetto State Armory AR15, it's got a nice adjustable stock. It's got a nice charging handle, a nice pistol grip, and it's got a nice 17-inch barrel. And all for the great price of 650 bucks. That's pretty good. All right, so first off, let's see how accurate it is. I've got a paper target set up about 20 yards away. All right, let's see how accurate it is. Loaded up with 5 rounds of 65 grain full metal jackets. Let's go check that out. Wow, this thing is very accurate. I almost hit completely center right there. Wow. And just to let you guys know, this is a 10 round mag because 30 round mags are not allowed on YouTube. Alright, so up next I've got a bunch of expired canned foods. So let's see what happens when I blast them with a 75 grain jacketed hollow point. Alright, loaded up with 10 rounds of 75 grain jacketed hollow points. Whoa, let's go check that out. So as you guys can see, those cans got demolished. Oh my gosh. I know somewhere out there, there is a very happy raccoon. So overall, I think this is a great gun. And it's cheap too, only 650 bucks. That's pretty good. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and share the video. I would appreciate it. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.